nobody know now. Nobody will not know that the mafia with the word. It's a two way for. Who were over? Who were over? I should not talk to your husband. How much the man will bring? I should the circle, I say they say. I see they say, I say that how much should they get for the cream? When you was saying that lady sell you money. Men woman like can sell you money. To hell with you people. To hell with you people. Wait till Rita. Oh, where babe? Do what way they can never finish. They can't quit. They judge this matter. Only a day who are don't they? Who go see your mama. Go don't go take care of your mama. If you're not better, if you're not return where? Oh, where return where you won't be a. When they go to you go. Monica, they come for you. Every time, go where you be. Back where you be, not that man knew what who did go more when you buy. Now, what do you want to try to do? You want revenge back, you want fetch back. You want fetch back, Abby? Now, truth, if you are away, cashew. In your way, no, we move. Who can want this and para? I put the mafia, or tell what you want a bread. Where you go say I can't go give that lady? Your figure talk one or two. You can do live video. I see what they do live video yesterday. I see you. Why you not address the reason why you said lady Felicia that account? Why you not address that place? Why you want say now? Why you say make sell you money? He said make you play the record. I don't want to see. I want to see what quarter. Igbavo. He said, I said, pay conference. If you come from Wetty, only I don't know whether that. He said she's very disappointed, you people. Oh, mama, where are they? Where now you want to betray? Oh, one betray. Only why I never webo. I can't go and now. And while I'm not to beg. When they try to further man. He not give you money again. Honestly, who equal the one naira here? Who equal the one naira here? I'm a betrayer. A betrayer. Maybe Uncle doesn't start again. Oh, I another door you will bow now. You don't see people who go back for your heart again. But now you want to collect money for Felicia hand. How much that lady won't give you now? We go satisfy you for 1 month. Even they say Lady Felicia she said that money said. No, she betrayal don't know. She made the bring money, made the as Felicia just talk her so that good pass. As she expose her so that good pass. Well, who? That's all that be. It's a couple of who were for? Who were Zua the Bayer? Oh, I thought you now. Oh, peka. I tell you, don't say why you get go? Who you go be? Who you be? You the free person. Who you help? Who you help? Who you help? What get there? Here was one. Here was Muyere. Here was one. Who was one Zaza Yoto? Thank you for the like. What was one Zaza Yoto? I not the soon I comment. Please, I not the soon I comment. What was Zaza Yoto? No, just them. You can't people matter. Now you the talk. Fear don't let the talk to owner. Fear don't let the talk to owner say, I know the men no cause saga. I who the fear saga not today. Not today. When I leave that lady alone. I want to be wild. The person cry come to now. No, what person betrayer? He's like I go do voice record just to betray that lady. Ah, it's okay. Who did your bad the devil? Oh, what done? Say to use that the mafia left tonto up to now. Only azwa we kobolelewe. Azwa lelewe amwe mumulelewe. Amami on best. I don't know that I will tell you be bad wife is okay. Woman like you, as they say cream, I said that lady they say cream. Where the betray? Oh, one. You come and get the thing I did on that video. Who are you? You are very stupid. For doing that, I not be Felicia. I wish I be Felicia. Just come out to your husband, come out of the Murphy. Don't think that it's okay. You use my chopper raw. Mugbawagbon. Who you gonna be now? As in, what you gonna be? What you gonna be? You be lady of waiting, I be Shema of waiting. What you gonna be? Why people go fear you? Not just go waiting there your leg, so to another person get her. I still be now in that. I got a fear woman like me. I'm not being one. They're not born anyhow. You want people doing. I was doing. You want betray your own fellow woman. You they say. You say they can't say you money. I dare you. Who you be? Who you be? Why he? The for one more of the papa lassie. That's the one who regard you now. Now people where they put the regard you now. Me I not sooner. You not beg what? You not beg who sawahi. Isa, the most they insult women. You put your woman there with you, dear. You insult women. I said the life in there yesterday. When no beer. Your woman is there with you. Who can who? If the person insult your person insult your wife, you remember the moment you die. You remember the moment it's here. Not be from Victor say. Your first speaking now friend get him. Friend say your first speaking now friend get him. You don't sit down and talk, you don't tear her apart. Now, person where insult you, now you can't enjoy. Now you can't enjoy. Whoever finish that money not pay. Send me the account. Now we move. Why you going to walk around choco? Esther with destiny just said the money money. Now he said a monkey make you do that thing. That is the playthrough because I don't want to talk. Now Esther with destiny just said the money money for back. Now he said a monkey may go talk that thing. Now he says the monkey may go do that thing. All the betrayer, una say na that check for back now. What if for back now the let they go. Now the let. Now Felicia don't leak your secret. You don't do live video. Why you not talk the account where you say give Felicia? Why you not talk and who our done? Our jagbaja done and no right here. Why beg you? Why would they say what that shop? I want betray. Man, I can't betray me now. Man, I can't betray me. Man, I tell me, man, I sell you money. I can't use my sweat for what finish. You can't tell me, say, man, I sell you money. When you sit down and say you are very so you be. Why we suck a wahi? What the why when you are selling? When you are selling, not be as soon as you're rich. Not be as soon as you're rich. I don't care to know what it happened. For doing that, man, woman sell you money. Woman like you, don't want to wife. Man sell you money. You are a fool. Who you be? Who don't know? I don't know what I don't know who call the canon and go home. Don't want to one move. Try not let the person talk to her because they be a puppy. Who will you be? You don't be able to sound now shit now you be. Shit. You are a padomophile, now be shit. You are your wife, now be shit. Felicia, don't pay that money. This one that go join you. Oh, girl. Bring the voice record, come and play him. Betrayer. Play him. Oh, girl. I don't want to run. Betrayer, I don't want to take the leave. Only way, man not talk on matter. Man not talk on matter. Betrayer. Let person that thought said that you go pass the wife for come. Because I don't know the kind of person where you be. You go pass the wife people not to do like that. You go pass the wife people not to do like that. Like now, the more you add that for see. Almost the person want talk now. Me now, I'm not to add my identity self. Because of the matter, I'm not to talk here for come. Now you go pass the wife for come. But will not be like that. When they say person they sleep with this one sister, will not be like that. I don't know where the book for you. That young book born in there. Na title then na you go even count that. Not be every year they take the swear giver. Not be every year they take the swear giver the money. The one where go drip or papa la said, don't want even reach herself. Every year, even family don't cost her. Family don't cost her. Oh, one go at you or work around. And the mafia that will go and go. You have to call your wife, papa. You have to call your people, for somebody call your wife, papa. Not be your husband, papa, with the cost. Your wife, papa, with the cost. With the second month back, but or more family, or more your turn one. No, why you are here? It's a can you have when they don't the song, when they don't the song come out for family. Imagine papa won't pray. He pray for the rest children. He not pray for his second. How wicked, how useless it be. Man, call for me. I'm ready for you people. I'm not a this are pray not easy. Turn money for you for abroad. You will start money to net for abroad. Before they will pay you your salary. They won't bastard will come out. You go say me what betrayer. May bring money. You are a bastard. Who you be? Who are you a pipe Domofi? Who will not be? Who will not be? I'm many we go back to one. Let them take bath me. You have nothing to do me. No. As you be for a government that say me be, and many where we go back to one, then they say bath me. So there is no different, eh? There is no different. And then where I got you still know, na sister I go back to where for come. You know how they roll. You know how they roll. I'm not going because you come from my village or we come from the same village, I can support you. Why setting that account to Felicia? That's what I want to know. Even they say that if you did right, you did right. For sending that lady an account to send you money, for there you run for everything. Why this betrayed? Why all this betrayed? The woman they will come for net to net. They go come us for net. They make us sell you money. I think your wife they sell cream. I think your wife is the sell cream. Alpha. I the B. How they gather the money. There's seven person still sell you money. It's a ogun boy. Ogun boy it's okay. It's a go what devil. That money na not go see am. Now because they don't cost someone the money, now na come cover for social media. Where woo? Although I'm a betrayer, don't OG. So now I don't want to go to the shop now. I don't know. I said, where is Smoky come and cut all this thing? With bought with confidence. I said something is wrong. Destiny just settle, not be destiny with X and I just say Smoky. Now the Murphy. Now I said that. Now I said Smoky. They pay at the Murphy. They pay. The peer betrayer. Only ya live ono we ya live we bo uzua. Ya muna total we bani. No ya re we na ni wa pa no rugu mo me. You re bani. Ya wina. No agbodo no I said that cat gioma. No ri go nowhere. As you because it be your way. Because you be chief. When they sell you money. May you not betray her. If you still send you the money, you will still betray her. What is the need? Thank you. What is the need? What is the need? Because Papa will not the sound of money again. Papa will not the sound of money again. Oh, I have your bun No, Felicia. Who can't know what you don't do for the rest people? Who know? Now God know what you don't do for the rest people. But I tell you, like why your time don't pass. This time around, if you not do well, enter saga, this way enter saga. Enter saga. Where the mere way, me to be me again, my dad. Ima bakohi. Come out. He go where come out. Come out as a way for you. Yes. Now you go pass one for corn. Now you for corn. Now you say water. Therefore, bath us. May I call you back? Waka. Who know? Now the same water that for now the same water now they take bath first. Now the same water now they take bath first. You know what you go do me? Unu where we be or me we. Use your man strong for saga. My upper, no matter all the saga where you go saga me, you know come out anything but me will be small picky. You got Tanya where we are we are no good. Yeah, so if you let me aladia. Not because Bazuwa, but that people come on. It's a disgrace to Ikobazuwa people. It's a disgrace, not because Bazuwa personal. If you don't say that Ikobazuwa, maybe not the other side of Ikobazuwa. Maybe the Ikobazuwa went me for when they for bomb you. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because this one here, oh, what can I tell you? I want to àwọn kan tí ó ní tó ìwò wà rédíò ọ̀dọ̀ ìfi ẹ̀tù àrédíò bẹ́ẹ̀ náà fi betray person Lady Felicia don't pay any yet as it disgrace the soul na egupa then we for there continue n'uzua ọ̀hún ẹgbẹ̀wà ní ọ̀bọ̀dù ọmọgùwà náà sọ̀làdìá wá sọ̀làdìá ẹ̀ta saga bag àti ìwọ̀n ẹ̀ta saga ẹ̀ta the frag wey tell your wife say he don sleep with. The first pikin wey get friend say na him get am. Na the same friend na dey so beg uzua. Who we zua domofi, who we zua, who we kondongwa. Okwa yo papa ya who we obeke na la the weji. You know, man I said if you don't go drink water for papa laugh. What said that gume? What said that gume betrayer? No peace of the wicked one. Who no don't you go don't you? Why let pot to woman? Now one pot of soup, now one pot of stew. Who are going to wire where Valentine? Why don't who don't who what money put for a pocket? I a betrayer. Send me an account. May I send you money? If I do voice record for you, send a secret. Not your brother saying why I'm betraying you. Not your brother because. I don't go shit one night and come out. If you want talker, what be betrayer, or do I know the buana? Oh, the buana. Oh, the buana, we don't see the beat you now. Man, I just talk, come on, I talk. You know, get followers. Man, I've made a contribution now. For all this betrayal is too much. Now let go. Now let this one don't start come out. Oh, now let this one I don't start cry come outside now. We don't know what the one we don't do for the rest people. We don't know. We don't know. Suffer oh, the mafia echo be the next target now. We never know now. I betrayer. Person go call now. Now quick put that for record. Now person cause now quick put that for record. I beg down. On the way, you come for bad family. You once you go marry, because you go marry woman. The family not that bad. Now the woman that they useless. It's okay. All they useless. Oh, what to tell you now? Oh, you know. Oh, you know. What you be? What he? You be God? Oh, what people they fear not let people they comment. Make the fear not let them. Make no cause them. Fear not let them comment. Oh, muya. Oh, amuya. Now, yes, I be Igobazuwa. We Igobazuwa. For that market for Igobazuwa, that market for Igobazuwa. Now, there for come. If you Igobazuwa, I mean Igobazuwa, ya me. Because I don't want to like Igobazuwa, I call John, I say, I call Peter, I say, Felicia, not be my village. I don't get to know. I don't want to know. Where the only thing where I know be say, where a the month you go say I can't go give Felicia. That is what I want to know. Where to make you say money go give? What you want? Why you say me Felicia say money go give you? Or you go pass you one hour for call? Or Brad the boy Or Brad the boy So What you they try to talk? You not going to but we are at the tata. Since now government way for corner, I man. Well, you know how they roll, you know how they play. I know that you say I can go give woman like you, make some money. How much you want send? 300 euro, 200 euro, or 500 euro.